show with your host, me, Tim Seeger. Hey, I want to show you how to clean your teeth or your dentures, whatever you might have. I'm going to show you how to clean them. First thing you got to do is you got to take them out. And then you get all that breakfast out of there and that supper and dinner. Yeah, get rid of all that. Kind of clean them up a little bit. And then you can polish them a little bit right there. Put them choppers back in. Boom! That, folks, is how you clean your teeth. I hope you enjoyed my show. And keep on shining on. Oops. Need to